Ever wondered how to do a natural facial at home? Well, the secret to youthful, glowing skin might just be in your kitchen. Natural facials are a cost-effective, healthier alternative to store-bought products. So if you're ready to pamper your skin with a natural facial, stick around. First things first, it's essential to prepare your skin. Think of your skin as a canvas. You wouldn't paint on a dirty canvas, would you? The same goes for your skin. A good cleanse is the first step. You can use natural cleansers like honey or yogurt, which are gentle yet effective. These not only cleanse but also nourish your skin, leaving it glowing. Remember, a clean base is key to effective results. Once your skin is clean, you're ready for the next step. Now comes the exciting part, applying the natural facial. Let's whip up a simple yet effective facial that you can make at home with 3 common kitchen ingredients. We're using oatmeal, banana, and honey today. Here's how you do it. First, blend half a ripe banana until it's mushy. Then mix in a tablespoon of honey and 2 tablespoons of finely ground oatmeal. Stir until all the ingredients are blended well together. Once your facial mixture is ready, apply it evenly over your face using gentle circular motions. Be careful to avoid the eyes. Let the natural nutrients seep into your skin. Allow it to sit for about 20 minutes. This is the perfect time to relax, maybe listen to some calming music or read a book. After the facial has done its magic, it's time to rinse. Remember to use lukewarm water and pat your face dry with a soft towel. Voila, your natural facial is complete. Last but not least, it's important to take care of your skin after the facial. Moisturizing is key to maintaining the benefits of your natural facial. You've just given your skin a wonderful treat. Now it's time to lock in all that goodness. Natural moisturizers such as aloe vera and coconut oil are great options. They're gentle, hydrating, and packed with nutrients your skin will love. Remember, consistency is vital when it comes to skincare. Regular facials are not an indulgence, but a necessity for maintaining healthy, glowing skin. Consider scheduling a natural facial once or twice a month, depending on your skin type. With this routine, you're well on your way to achieving that natural glow. So there you have it, a simple guide to doing a natural facial at home. We explored the magic of preparing your skin, applying the facial with nature's bounty, and caring for your skin afterwards. This holistic process not only revitalizes your skin, but also protects it, a luxury that store-bought products may not offer. The power of natural facials lies in their simplicity, accessibility, and the sheer goodness of nature. Remember, the key to beautiful skin is consistency. So start your journey towards healthier skin today.